Hello, I am Panchavati Ravi Sharma, trying to explain the concept of reference frames once again. How something happening for one person who is at rest happens differently for a person who is in motion. Now you and me who are staring at this animation are like people at rest, and there is a graph sheet here. If I make that graph sheet move, that means a person at the background moves, how it looks to him. Let us drop a body and see. Please see the animation. See this. For us, for you and me, it's a black color straight line, it's falling vertically down. But for a person who is moving along with the graph sheet, it's like a parabola. So the graph sheet was here and it moved here. So for every point of motion, the particle came down as well as moved back, came down as well as moved back. Because he is moving forward, this falling particle appears to go backward. Similarly, if at all I change the particle to move in circle, and you and me are at rest and staring the animation, and the graph sheet is moving forward. If a person is attached to a graph sheet and he moves along with the graph sheet, how it looks? See here. For us, the particle moves in a circle, but for the person, it appears to move like that, who is moving along with the graph sheet. So in this way, if at all we project a body upwards, how it looks? See here. For us, it goes up and up and up in the same line. So from here, left hand side, if you see, the distance appears to be constant, but as the graph sheet moves, it appears to be a parabola like this. Once again, I revert this, so you see slowly what's happening. Actually, particle is going straight up, but because graph sheet is moving, a person who is moving along with the graph sheet, it appears to be a parabola. So if at all particle execute SHM, up and down motion, here, how it looks for a moving person. Please see this. For us, black color block, concentrate on it, it's just going up and down and up and down. But for other person who is moving along with the graph sheet, it's looking like a wave. So in this way, by changing the reference frame, the motion what appears to be one appears to be different in other. That's why motion is not absolute, it is relative. For different persons, the same happening appears differently. For example, if your brother is sitting in the third berth, upper berth in a train, which is moving at constant speed, if he drops a water bottle to you in the lower berth, for you both, it's a straight line. But the bottle not only comes down, but also moves along with the train forward. So for a person outside the train, it's a parabola. Similarly, you keep on seeing the animation and listen to my voice. Similarly, for a person in aeroplane, if he eats chocolate, the chocolate travels from mouth to stomach. So in your reference point, it's a straight line, mouth to stomach. But for a person who is on the ground, the chocolate not only travels from your mouth to stomach, but it also travels certain kilometers horizontally. So that chocolate, if at all you can observe, will trace a parabola the way is happening here. But here it's showing a small parabola. Why? Because the backside paper is moving slowly. Thank you.